Good morning everyone. Now we discuss excretory system of cockroach. What is excretion? Elimination of nitrogenous waste material is known as excretion. Why nitrogenous waste materials are formed in the body? Due to oxidation of nitrogen. Carbohydrate contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Fat also contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Only proteins contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. So due to oxidation of protein only nitrogenous waste materials are formed. If they are present for a long time, converted into poison, toxin, that's why they should be eliminated. The organs responsible for elimination of nitrogenous waste material known as excretory organs. Excretory organs of cockroach mainly Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules. First time Malpighian tubules discovered by Marcello Malpighi. Marcello Malpighi. He called Malpighian tubules as vasa vericosa. Vasa vericosa. Later, Meckel, another scientist, on the honor of Malpighi, he renamed vasa vericosa as Malpighian tubules. Major nitrogenous excretory organs are Malpighian tubule. They are yellow colored. How many? 100 to 150. 100 to 150 Malpighian tubules. In how many bundles? 6 to 8 bundles. Location midgut, between the midgut and hindgut, but they open into hindgut only. Anterior part of hindgut is ileum. So Malpighian tubules open into ileum. Distal part is not open. So blind sac like Malpighian tubule. Only proximal part opens into the lumina of ileum. Distal part is secretory, while proximal part is absorptive. Proximal part is absorptive. Secretory part are entire Malpighian tubule lined by glandular cells. The distal part absorb the potassium urate, water, carbon dioxide from the surrounding hemocoel into the lumina of Malpighian tubule. In the lumen, salts react with water, potassium, finally uric acid, potassium bicarbonate, water are formed. Water and potassium bicarbonate reabsorbed. Reabsorption means from the lumina of Malpighian tubule enter into surrounding hemocoel. Now the Malpighian tubule contract. Due to contraction of Malpighian tubule, uric acid present in the lumina of Malpighian tubule enter into ileum. So from the ileum reach the rectum. You already know rectum contains 6 rectal papillae. Rectal papillae absorb the water present in the nitrogenous waste material. Finally, uric acid is excreted in the form of solid. So if any animal excrete uric acid, known as uricotelic animal. So cockroach is a uricotelic animal. Once again, major excretory organs are Malpighian tubules. Number 100 to 150. How many bundles? 6 to 8 bundles. Where they are present? Midgut and hindgut. You already know. While discussing digestive system, we discussed alimentary canal contain foregut, midgut and hindgut. At the junction of midgut and hindgut, but they open into hindgut only. The distal part is blind, not open into the lumina of hemocoel. Distal means far away, proximal means nearer. The distal part is secretory, collect the nitrogenous waste material and release it into the lumen. The proximal part is absorptive. From the proximal part, water and potassium bicarbonate reabsorbed, enter into the hemocoel. Malpighian tubule is lined by glandular epithelium. Distal part collect potassium bicarbonate, potassium urate potassium urate, water, carbon dioxide. In the lumen, potassium bicarbonate, uric acid, water are formed. From the proximal part, water and bicarbonate reabsorbed. Now the Malpighian tubule contract. As a result, uric acid present in the lumen enter into the hindgut. Other excretory organs are uricose glands. It is a mushroom gland. Mushroom gland is a accessory reproductive gland in male cockroach. It contains two types of tubules: peripheral long tubules, central circular tubules. Peripheral long tubules known as uricose gland or utriculi major. The uricose gland collect the uric acid from the hemocoel and temporarily store the uric acid in them. During copulation, during physical union of animals, uricose gland sent out the uric acid. In this manner, uricose gland act as excretory organs. So, uricose glands act as excretory organs only in male cockroach. Reason is, in female cockroach, mushroom gland is absent. Mushroom gland is a accessory, means additional reproductive gland in male cockroach. It has two types of tubules: peripheral long tubules, uricose glands or utricular major, central spherical shaped utricular brevior. Uricose glands collect the uric acid, temporarily store the uric acid. During copulation, they send out the uric acid. In this manner, they act as excretory organs. Next one is nephrocytes. Nephrocytes are attached to lateral wall of heart. Nephrocytes are attached to lateral wall of heart. They collect the nitrogenous waste material. In this manner, they act as excretory in function. Excretory system of cockroach. Next one is cuticle. Cuticle is the outer layer of the body wall. Uric acid is deposited on the cuticle. At the time of molting, along with the cuticle, uric acid also shed off. In this manner, cuticle also help in excretion. Major excretory organs are Malpighian tubule. Utricular major or uricose glands, nephrocytes, cuticle and urate cells. Fat body, irregular white colored structure is known as fat body. Fat body is in the form of several small lobes known as lobules. Each lobule contain different types of cells. Urate cell is one of the types of cells. The urate cells collect the uric acid from the surrounding hemocoel and permanently store the uric acid. This type of excretion is known as storage excretion. After the death of the cockroach only, uric acid present in urate cells decomposed. Now once again, excretory system of cockroach. Major excretory organs are Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are 100 to 150 in the form of bundle. Each bundle contains 15 to 25. How many bundles? 6 to 8 bundles. They are yellow in color. Blind tube-like structures. Distal part is not open. Only proximal part opens into hindgut. Opens into ileum. Marcello Malpighi first time observed Malpighian tubule. He has given the name Vasa vericosa. Vasa vericosa. Later Meckel, another scientist, On honor of Malpighi, he has given the name Malpighian tubules. Each Malpighian tubule contains two parts, a distal part and proximal part. Distal part is a secretory. It collects the salts, water, carbon dioxide from the hemocoel. In the lumen they react. As a result, uric acid, potassium bicarbonate, water are formed. Potassium bicarbonate and water reabsorbed from the proximal part. Now only uric acid present in the lumen of Malpighian tubule. Due to contraction of Malpighian tubule, uric acid enter into the ileum. From the ileum reach the rectum. Rectum contains 6 longitudinal folds known as rectal papillae. They absorb the water present in the nitrogenous waste material. Finally, uric acid in the form of solid form sent out through anus. If any animal excretes uric acid, known as uricotelic animal. Cockroach is a uricotelic animal. Next one, mushroom gland. Mushroom gland is a accessory male reproductive gland. Contain two types of tubules. Peripheral long tubules, uricose gland or utricular major. Central spiracular tubules, utricular brevior. We discuss while discussing reproductive system. Brevior, utricular brevior. Uricose glands collect the nitrogenous waste material. During copulation, they send out. Next one, fat bodies. Irregular white colored structures present in the hemocoel known as fat bodies. Fat body contains several small lobes known as lobules. Each lobule contains several cells. So one of the cells, urate cells. Urate cells collect the uric acid and permanently store the uric acid in them. So the uric acid deposited in the urate cells decomposed after the death of the cockroach only. This type of excretion is known as storage excretion. Nephrocytes are one type of cells attaches to lateral wall of heart. They collect the uric acid from the hemocoel. Some uric acid deposited on the cuticle at the time of molting. What is molting? Shed off outer layer of the body. During molting, the cockroach lost the cuticle. Along with the cuticle, the uric acid deposited on the cuticle also shed off. That's why cuticle also help in excretion. So this is about excretion. So mushroom gland, what is mushroom gland? Male accessory gland. Present only male cockroach. Two types of tubules. Peripheral long tubule, uricose gland or utricular major. Central small tubule, spherical utricular brevior. Utricular brevior nourishes the sperm. The secretion of utricular brevior form the nutrients for the developing sperm. Uricose glands collect the uric acid from the surrounding hemocoel and store the uric acid. During copulation, uricose gland sent out the uric acid. Next one, fat bodies. Fat bodies also known as corpora adiposa. Corpora adiposa. Fat bodies of cockroach comparable to liver of higher vertebrates. The fat bodies perform same functions like liver. In addition, urate cells of fat bodies help in excretion. Fat body contains several small lobes known as lobules. Each lobule contains 4 types of cells. One of the types of cell is urate cell. Urate cell collect the uric acid from the surrounding hemocoel. So they store the uric acid throughout the lifespan. This type of excretion is known as storage excretion. After the death of cockroach only, the uric acid present in the urate cells decomposed. Next one, nephrocytes. Nephrocytes are the cells. They are attached to wall of heart and collect the uric acid from the hemocell. Some uric acid deposited on the cuticle. What is cuticle? Outer layer of the body wall. So cuticle is shed off at regular intervals. Removal of cuticle is known as molting. At the time of molting, the uric acid deposited on the cuticle also removed. In this manner, cuticle also help in excretion. So, excretory system of cockroach, major excretory organ, Malpighian tubules. How many? 100 to 150. They are arranged in the form of bundles. Each bundle 15 to 25. They are yellow in color. Location, junction of midgut and hindgut. First time who observed Malpighian tubules? Marcello Malpighi. He called Malpighian tubules as vasa varicosa. Later Meckel called vasa varicosa as Malpighian tubules on the honor of scientist Marcello Malpighi. So this is about excretory system of cockroach. Now, what is sensillum? Trichogen cell, termogen cell and sensory neuron. How many cells? 3 cells form one sensillum. Between it is the cuticle. Body wall contain outer cuticle, epidermis, basement membrane. Between the epidermal cells, trichogen cells are present. The cells of epidermis produce movable bristle is known as trichogen cell. After formation, the movable bristle present in another cell that is known as termogen cell. Termogen cell form the socket of movable bristle. The sensory neuron attaches to base of the movable bristle. If the sensillum receive the touch sensation, at the time this sensillae is known as tango or tactile sensillum. Tango or tactile sensillae present in the antennae. If the movable bristle receive the smell, known as olfactory sensillae, present antennae, maxillary palps, labial palps. If the movable bristle receive the taste, known as gustatory sensillae, labrum, maxillary pulp, labial palps. Now, if the movable bristle receive the temperature, known as thermal sensillae, present on first, second, third tarsi. So you already know last podomere in the leg 5 joints are present. So that is the last one is the tarsus. On the tarsus, each tarsus divided into 5 tarsomere present on first, second, third tarsomeres. So now we discuss compound eye. compound eye. You already know on the sides of the head, two compound eyes are present, kidney shaped compound eyes. Each compound eye contain 2000 hexagonal facets. Hexagonal facets. Each facet contain one ommatidium. In this manner, each compound eye contain 2000 ommatidia. The outer part of ommatidium. The outer part of ommatidium contain biconvex cornea. Cornea is formed from the cuticle, modified cuticle. Cockroach head has two kidney-shaped compound eyes. Each compound eye contain 2000 hexagonal facets, hexagonal concavities. Each concavity contain one ommatidium. Outer part of ommatidium, so it is visible, outer part. So outer part of ommatidium is biconvex cornea. It acts as a rough lens. Cornea nothing but modified cuticle. Below the cornea, two carniagen cells are present. The carniagen cells are formed from the epidermis. So the carniagen cell at the time of molting, the cornea is shed off. Now the carniagen cells secrete new cornea. After secretion of new cornea, the carniagen cells move to periphery. So you already know in the life history, the larval form undergo 13 moltings. After every molting, new cornea is formed. After formation of cornea, the carniagen cells move to periphery. It is so one carniagen cell move to one lateral side, another carniagen cell move to another lateral side. In this manner, after 13 moltings, 13 carniagen cells present on one side, 13 carniagen cells present on another side. These cells are present side by side, form a sheath layer known as iris sheath. Iris sheath. Below the carniagen cells, transparent crystalline cone is present. It is the fine lens, second lens. Around the crystalline cone, 4 cells are present known as cone cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cone cells also known as vitrillae. The cone cells secrete the crystalline cone. Carniagen cells secrete the cornea. Cornea is the rough lens and crystalline cone is the fine lens. How many lenses? 2 lenses are present. That's why this region is known as dioptical region. Dioptical region. Dioptical region of one ommatidium separated from dioptical region of adjacent ommatidia by iris sheath. How iris sheath is formed? The carniagen cells secrete cornea. Later, the carniagen cells move to periphery sides. They form a layer. In this manner, from the carniagen cells only, iris sheath is present. Iris sheath is formed. What is the function of iris sheath? Iris sheath separate the dioptical region of one ommatidium. It is the dioptical region. So you already know in a compound eye 2000 ommatidia are present. In each ommatidia over one dioptical region. So dioptical region of one ommatidium separated from dioptical region of adjacent ommatidia by iris sheath. Just below the crystalline cone, spindle shaped rhabdome is present. On either side of rhabdome, 7 retinular cells are present. Inner surface of retinular cell is folded, and this folded part known as rhabdomere. The rhabdomere of 7 retinular cells unite. As a result, rhabdome is formed. So rhabdome is formed from the retinular cells. Rhabdome and retinular cells together known as receptor region. the receptor region of one ommatidium separated from receptor region of adjacent ommatidia by another sheath known as retinal sheath. Retinal sheath separate receptor region of one ommatidium from receptor region of adjacent ommatidia. Retinular cells nothing but sensory neurons or sensory nerve cells. So this is about ommatidium. Head of cockroach contain two bean seed shaped compound eyes. Each compound eye contain 2000 hexagonal concavities. Each concavity contain one ommatidium. Ommatidium is the structural and functional unit of compound eye. Ommatidium. Outer part of the ommatidium contain biconvex lens known as cornea. Cornea is formed from the cuticle. So at the time of molting, cuticle is shed off. Along with the cuticle, cornea also removed. Cornea act as a rough lens. Just below the cornea, two corneagen cells are present. Corneagen cells are modified epidermal cells. The corneagen cells function is, after molting, the corneagen cells secrete new cornea. Once they secrete new cornea, the two corneagen cells move to periphery. In this manner, the larval stage of cockroach undergo 13 molting. After every molting, one corneagen cell move to one periphery. In this manner, on one lateral side 13 corneagen cells, another lateral side 13 corneagen cells are present. The cells are present side by side without any empty space. As a result, all the 13 cells together form a sheath known as iris pigment sheath. What is the function of iris pigment sheath? Iris pigment sheath separate dioptical region of one ommatidium from dioptical region of adjacent ommatidia. Below the corneagen cells, transparent crystalline cone is present. The crystalline cone is the fine lens. Light rays are focusing in the crystalline cone. Around the crystalline cone, 4 cone cells are present. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cone cells also known as vitrillae. The cone cells secrete the crystalline cone. Below the crystalline cone, spindle shaped rhabdome. Around the rhabdome, 7 retinular cells are present. Inner surface of retinular cell contain folded part that is known as rhabdomere. The rhabdomere of 7 retinular cells unite. As a result, rhabdome is formed. Rhabdome and retinular cells together known as receptor region. The receptor region of one ommatidium separated from receptor region of adjacent ommatidia by retinal pigment sheath. Partial image of an object is formed in the receptor region. In simple eyes, single image of an object is formed, but in each ommatidium, partial image of an object is formed. So this is about ommatidium. Now we discuss functioning of ommatidium. Diurnal insects. Nocturnal insects. It is the ommatidium, iris pigment sheath, retinal pigment sheath. Ommatidium, retinal pigment sheath. In diurnal insect, you already know light rays are focusing in the cornea. From the cornea, light rays converge in the cornea. From the cornea, crystalline cone. From the cone, reach the rhabdome. Partial image is formed. For example, it is the housefly. In front of the housefly, human being is present. So, in one ommatidium, image of left eye. Another ommatidium, image of right eye. In another, left ear. In this manner, partial images are formed. How many? In one compound eye, 2000 partial images. Another compound eye, 2000. In this manner, 4000 partial images are formed. The partial image formed from one ommatidium never transfer to adjacent ommatidia due to presence of iris and retinal pigment sheath. So one ommatidium separated physically from adjacent ommatidia with the help of iris pigment sheath and retinal pigment sheath. All the 4000 partial images are transferred to brain. In brain, single clear image is formed. It is known as apposition image. Apposition image is formed in diurnal insects. In nocturnal insects, iris pigment sheath is present, no retinal pigment sheath. The partial image formed in one ommatidium transfer to adjacent ommatidia. As a result, partial images are overlapped. The overlapped, for example, in one left eye image, in another right eye image. Now left eye image overlap on right eye. In this manner, overlapped partial images are formed. So why? Due to absence of retinal pigment sheath. One more point, rhabdome is present far away from the crystalline cone. That's why the partial images are overlapped. The overlapped partial images are transferred to brain. In brain, all 4000 partial images assembled. Single blurred image is formed. Blurred means not clear. Blurred image is formed. The blurred image is known as superposition image. Superposition image is formed. Once again, in diurnal insects, one ommatidium separated from adjacent ommatidia by two pigment sheath, iris pigment sheath and retinal pigment sheath. So, in each ommatidium, partial image is formed. In this manner, for example, in front of the housefly, human being is present, 4000 partial images. All the 4000 partial images are transferred to brain. In brain, all juxtapose means they are present side by side. A single clear image is formed. It is known as apposition image. So cockroach is a nocturnal insect. In nocturnal insect, retinal pigment sheath is absent. Due to absence of retinal pigment sheath, the partial images formed in one ommatidium overlap on the partial images formed on adjacent ommatidia. All the overlapped partial images transfer to brain. In brain, all the 4000 overlapped partial images assembled. Blurred image is formed. It is known as superposition. Superposition means superimpose, overlap. As a result, superposition image. This type of vision is known as mosaic. What is mosaic vision? So, partial images are formed. Nearly 4000 partial images are formed and the images are not clear. So, mosaic vision and superposition image in case of nocturnal insects. So, this is about image formation in cockroach. So, with this I complete sense organs.